Hey gang, I just love this Dreo Atom. It's a perfect thing to keep under my desk, keep my feet warm on these cold winter days. I just wanted to show you how well it works. So I set up a little test here. I've got two thermometers. I've got this one right here at the base of the unit. It's reading 52.3. And 2 feet away, I've got another thermometer that's reading 53.1. So there is a little discrepancy, but you can tell they're pretty much the same. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this on and let it run for 5 minutes, and we're going to see how well it heats up this thermometer, and I think you'll be pretty surprised. So I'm going to pop this little test up in the corner and let it run in sort of a time lapse while I go over the features of the Dreo Atom. So hold on a second. All right, so let me just show you the features of the Dreo Atom really quick. It's actually a really nice compact space heater. So it's only about 10 inches tall and 6 inches across. So it fits just about anywhere. And there's a digital display here. And when you turn it on, you can see the display. And up at the top, it's got touch controls. So let me see if I can get an angle in here where you can really see them. So this is the power button. Over here, we've got the different modes. Then we've got a plus and a minus. That's to set the temperature for the thermostat. Then over here, we've got the timer button. So let me show you on the digital display. All right, so obviously we've got it on and it automatically comes on to the highest heat setting. But if we want to change the mode, come down here to echo. And what this means is it's going to operate like a thermostat. So if the room were to reach 75 degrees, it would shut itself off. And if the room uh, cooled off and maybe got down to 74, it would turn back on. You can set that temperature with the plus and the minus controls up here. So that's your thermostat. The other function it's got that's really nice is a timer. So it's a 12-hour timer. And you just cycle all the way up through 12. And when you get to 12, around to 0. And so you can just set it to run if you want it to just run for a certain amount of time. And then to turn it off, oh, there is one more mode. There is a fan mode. And so right now it's still warm because the coils are warm, but eventually this will just cool off and it will just be blowing room temperature air. So if you wanted a little fan as well, you can do that. And then, of course, if we turn it off, it's got a little timer. It's going to count down, and then it's just going to completely shut off. So those are the features of the Dreo Atom. And now let's see how well it did in our little test. All right, so we're coming up on the 5 minute mark here, and you can see that the temperature on the thermometer that's 2 feet away is 67.5 degrees, and the temperature right here at the base is still 52.5. So I think that actually dropped just a little bit, but you actually got a temperature difference of over 15 degrees in just 5 minutes. So this little Dreo actually works really well.